This is a review of my recent stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. This resort is beautiful, and even if you book a standard room, as we did, you still have a high chance of seeing the animals in the morning from the balcony. Having their breakfast. We were staying in room 3548, which is 5 minutes walk from the lobby and the pool and restaurants, but meant we had a great view of the giraffes from our room. The room's newly refurbished and a good size still for 3 or 4 adults. This is our room, 3548. Been here a few days, it's quite messy. It's wardrobe, enough space for all your luggage. Another half wardrobe, it's got a steamer in, extra bedding. Bathroom with double sink. We've got a bath, but Tasha's got a walk-in shower. And then they've all got the Keurig coffee makers with the pods. Oh, they haven't refilled my tea. Good job, I've got my tea bags. Fridge. 2 large queen beds. A new flat screen TV. This is one of the refurbished rooms, so there's no carpet in this one. Hardwood floors. 2 little seats and a mirror. And then got different light controls here, and there's each bed's got a reading light as well. And then obviously you've got the great view of the animals, which we can't see at the moment because it's night time. But yeah, it's a really nice room. There's lots to do for everyone, cultural activities and art activities for the kids. The Uzima pool has plenty of pool games during the day. There's 2 hot tubs for relaxing in after a hard day at the parks. They also show movies by the pool in the evening. We've got like little slides and little splash area. A little baby hot tub. Cool. You can also use the smaller pool at Kidani Village, which has a great splash pad for the kids. Obviously, you can also view the animals, and there are night vision goggles you can use. Just take your mosquito spray, as we all got bitten by mosquitoes a lot. Boma breakfast is the best value breakfast in Disney in my opinion. They have tofu scramble and algae waffles for vegans, and they accommodate any allergies you may have. The buffet in the evening also has plenty of choice for everyone, with a mixture of African, Indian, American food. For vegans, there's hummus, veggies, rice, couscous and pasta, plus a plant-based dessert on the buffet. We didn't try chica and sanar, which are meant to be good. It can get a bit repetitive here on a long stay if you want something that isn't Indian and African inspired. The Mara has lots of options for quick service, plus some good grab-and-go choices. For those looking for plant-based options, a chickpea sandwich and veggie wrap available to go. There is also falafel and hummus from the quick service. Chickpea salad sandwich. Got a falafel platter. Alcoholic slushy. Probably the only downside to this resort is the location. It is a long walk from most rooms to the lobby. Buses were frequent to the parks and didn't take too long though, but after a few days it takes its toll and felt a long trip back, and it's not easy to pop somewhere different for dinner later. I'd also not recommend this hotel to smokers, as there's only one area near the lobby and pool. We're glad we stayed here, but not sure we'd stay again, mainly because of the distance to the parks and other food locations. It is good value though with free dining, so we may be tempted back again.